Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to play games on Poppo Live. In order to do this, you have to have completed your authentication on Poppo Live, which is face authentication, upload live photo, and also reach wealth level 5 on your Poppo Live. There are actually two ways to play games on Poppo Live. The first way is to play game on someone's live, while the second way is to play game on your live. In order to play game on your live, you just have to click on the live option camera. Clicking on it, you just have to type in your content. Let me say, let's play game. Select the purpose of my live. I'll be selecting fun. The next thing you have to do is to click on the game option found at the bottom of your screen. Now you can now select any of the game and click on go live in order to start playing the game. The next way you can play games on Poppo Live is by going on someone's live of your choice, any of the live of your choice. So on this live, I just have to click on the game option and select any of the game I want to play, and I can now start playing it on Poppo Live. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.